am a healer, comforter, and your well-wisher. I am a potent blend of pure and natural essential oils of Helichrysum, ginger, and sweet marjoram, soothe sore muscles and reduce stiffness in the joints. My warm, woody, and earthy aroma will help you feel relaxed as the muscle ache becomes a mere memory. To apply me, first sit down and relax. Apply the oil on your stomach and gently rub it in the clockwise direction, at least 7 times using your palms. For effectiveness, while applying the oil, repeat thrice. My muscles are flexible, light, and strong. I experience life as a joyous dance. I'm available across all Blossom Culture stores and online.